The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that energy conservation will play a crucial role in combating the challenges of climate change and global warming. Addressing the National Energy Conservation Day celebrations in New Delhi today, the president said that India's per capita emission is less than one-third of the world's average emission, which reflects its strong commitment towards conserving the environment. Speaking at the event, Power Minister R.K. Singh said India is on the track to achieve its carbon emission targets well before time and has already reduced its emission intensity by about 33%. Talking about the Energy Conservation Amendment Bill 2022, he said that the country is relentlessly marching ahead towards the target of reducing carbon intensity by 45% by 2030.
से मुक्त पर्यावरण में सांस लेने, प्रगति करने और स्वस्थ जीवन बिताने की परिस्थितियां सुनिश्चित करना हम सबकी सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है.
Meghalaya government and Apollo Telehealth